Hello and welcome to Caching Waves. This is your Elliott Wave update for Compound. This is my daily count here. My primary is we have started halfway through a correction and we bottomed here in June. We had an A wave here, 3 waves up for B, 5 waves down for our C wave. The dead giveaway there was the triangle, short E, but we pivoted right after the fact. Reclaimed this level, and we're now recovering on previous resistance, so turning resistance into support. And let's get down to the smaller time frames here. Had a wave 1 up, good separation, everything makes sense as an impulse. Pretty deep retracement, but we just ticked past the 618 and recovered from here. Looks like we have a leading diagonal filled out here for our second 1-2. And I believe this is a pretty bullish correction as long as it plays out as I'm anticipating. And that is as a running flat. Real quick, I had to pull between both scales, linear and log scale. If you go to linear, we hit the 618 retracement of this 1-2. Always check both those. Now if you watch my video yesterday, ideally we were looking for this to come up to my orange box here, the 1.236382, but not past the point 1.618 of this A wave. But as soon as we pass the wave 1 high, it's considered valid for a running flat. We just need to pierce above that, which we did. This is a 3 wave for an A, B, C as a flat. So looking for the C wave to complete in 5. Hopefully we get that very soon. And then looking for further upside after the fact. This will all be one big A, B, C. And pretty bullish as long as this plays out as anticipated. Now we'll go back to linear scale because our targets are closer on linear scale. But a running flat would be considered complete as soon as we hit the 0.618 extension of the A wave off the B, which is there at 5280. Other regular targets is the 1-to-1, 4796. Now if we do drop below the A, it can still be considered a expanded flat and then we recover. But in the trade setup I'm going to take, I'll be stopped out on that. I am considering the fact that this low has to be defended. Gives me a better, larger position sizing, tighter stop. And if I do get stopped out, I will look for the entry. If we bottom out, reclaim previous resistance, turn it into support, take off, and I'll look for an entry if we get something like that, stop at the low. So several ways to enter this, but the first step for me is to limit order here at 5280. Stop is going to go at 4662. If we go to the Caching Waves trading account, which is the public account, I post every trade I take. Started at 10,000, 1% risk per trade. We have a couple on the go, a couple stopped out. And here is the entry. This is my limit order. As you can see on my trading journal, entry 5280, stop 4662. I don't have a target currently. I'll just throw 100 on there just because we have to see which scale we're working on, but it's a really good entry either way. As you can see, I can purchase 16 coins at 1% risk. This is a calculator to help me figure that out. So going back to that, I have 16 coins, 5280, stop 4662. All right, guys, and we'll go back to that. So my trade setup is exactly limit ordering at the 618 just in case I'm not here. Stop right there and targeting much higher, but we'll just put $100 for now. It's a really good setup either way. As you can see, pretty tight stop. Hopefully we get this. If it does drift higher, this B wave can just get extended up a little higher into our 236 to 382 there box, then come down and finish the flat. but just setting up for this in case it happens overnight or something like that. I want to make sure I'm in the trade. If you like the channel, you can follow along with all my other trades I'm in. These are my current live positions, as you can see. I post every single trade I take, every move along the way, moving stops, etc. And yeah, check them out if you want. All the tickers are right here. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.